We're getting to the point where more and more businesses are starting to utilize AI. But what they need to take into consideration is they may not have the capabilities that they need to get it launched. So obviously not knowing where to get started is a big thing, but even more so than that, in this market right now, having the expertise and having all the expertise that you need, whether that's data scientists, data engineers, IT and DevOps people, and then of course having the buy-in from leadership and all these departments is one of the biggest challenges that people have when implementing. We're talking about an entire project that needs the entire business's buy-in, because otherwise they're not going to get very far and it will fail.
So we've all seen these solutions where you develop something really innovative. You think it's going to be like world-changing, and you deploy it out there and nobody uses it. So why don't they use it, right? Well, why, if you built this amazing solution, why isn't it being leveraged in the field? And often we find is that they didn't think about the OCM part, the organizational change management. They didn't talk to the users. They gathered the requirements up front, but they really didn't think about how are they going to get it out to the field? How are they going to help it scale to all of the potential users? You got to start at the beginning, thinking about how is the organization going to adapt to this? How is it going to improve and benefit? How are the people involved in using this application going to change their workflows and their day-to-day jobs? And so if you engage in a discussion not just about the technology solution, but also about the human impact early, you can plan through what does that mean to the organization, and then ultimately, how do we prepare to deploy it? So you get the benefits, you realize the value out of the solution that you just invested in.